This is crazy. Hi, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I uploaded some videos, and I'm really busy with just doing the Instagram stuff. So, but yeah, today we're talking about Jeep Wrangler 2016 JKU. Have you ever experienced while driving your Jeep Wrangler and you're stepping on the gas and there's a lag before it goes through? That is called a throttle lag, and right now we're here to fix it. How do you fix it? You need a reliable throttle response controller, and we have it right here. It is the Pedal Commander Throttle Response Controller. Okay, so what is a pedal commander? So I just wanted to make it simple. You plug it into your throttle module, and then it basically gonna help you change the response of your pedal when you hit it. So it has 4 modes: the Eco, City, Sports, and Sports Plus. And it does not add horsepower. Okay, it's just a controller for your throttle. Okay, let's unbox this thing and see what comes with it. Let's go. Okay, so this is the box, and let's open it. Okay, so you got the unit itself with the wirings. Get this out. Okay, let's see what's inside. So it's this one. Okay, so you're getting a Velcro, so when you install it you can put it anywhere you want to, as long as the wires reach it. So okay, and a cleaning wipes, sorry. And you have 2 zip ties. So now this is a cool box. You can use this box for anything. Let's put it back and let's install it. Go. Oh, so this one goes to, anyways, I'm not gonna take that out. Okay, so I took this panel off so I can see better inside. I mean, if you want to make it really easier, you gotta take this out, but I'm not gonna take it out because I can still see the module there. All right. I don't know if you can see it, but that thing here, this is the module. Can you see it? There. So hold on. This is it. This is where your pedal goes through. Okay, so before anything else, before you install this one, you want to make sure where you want to put the unit itself. So I'm planning to put it here. I'm not sure if the wire is gonna be enough to go inside there and get plugged in. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna reach the module. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna put this one here. this is the module. So I just have to take this out. There you go. So this is the one that's supposed to be there, but we took it out, and then this one goes here, and this one goes here on top of the module. That one. Alright, let's do it. Alright, got it. And just put this last part, and there you go. So we're all done. We're just gonna have to tuck the excess things, and then put back the panels. We're done. So this comes with the zip ties. Just zip the excess wirings and you're done. Gonna test it out. So we're gonna clean this area using this one, the wipes that they provided, and then we're gonna attach the velcros here, then put it here. Nice. Okay, so now that we have installed the unit, we're gonna talk about the app before we test it. So just download the app on your app store and then register your unit there, so we can use the Bluetooth to change the modes of our controller. So just go into your app store, get it, and then register it. So let's do it right now. Okay, so now we're in the app. So I guess add device. Oh, you have to turn on. There's no power yet. Okay, scan. Pedal commander. Okay, please enter the serial number and the back. Okay. Back of your pedal commander. Okay. There you go. So that's the serial number. So as soon as you put in your serial number, it's gonna ask you a device name. So I'll name this Crazy Don't. Oops. Alright, so now it's activated. It's currently turned off right now. Just put it back, snap it. So it's off. I think it's gonna turn on. Alright, so it's on, and we're on the city right now. We can go to Echo. You're about to switch to current mode. Are you sure? Okay, change. Oh, you want it sports plus. So there's another feature on this app. With this feature, you have to pay a monthly or an annual. Read this one. The pedal commander anti-theft features ensures your vehicle accelerator becomes unresponsive when engaged. Okay, when the pedal commander anti-theft feature is turned on, the gas pedal becomes unresponsive. Well, it's a good feature, so you know, it's a good added security. Like here in California, I've been hearing a lot of Jeep thefts, so this is a good one. Just already have this, and then if you add the pedal commander's anti-theft, you're all good, right? I guess, hopefully. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll do it later. Alright, so we're on our way to Roher Flats. It's OHV recreation area, and we're gonna test the pedal commander there, so it will be safe. I mean, and right now I'm on the city mode, and the difference is it's almost the same with the stock feel, but I can feel it's smoother than the stock. So I mean, let's see. It is the first time I used it, so alright, I'll see you there. Okay, so we're here now at Roher Flats. We're still on city mode, so we're climbing right now. So usually with the Jeep with large tires, it's really hard to go up and it's lagging, but right now I can't feel anything, so it's really good. Oops. Alright, so right now we're gonna test it, and for sports mode you can use this one. So I'm at sports mode right now, and let's see. Okay, so you can really feel the difference. Just a little bump on the pedal, like that. So I'll try to bump it. Wow, that's sports mode. Okay, let's see. Let's try another one. Wow. This is only sports mode. Can't wait to try the sports plus. Nice. So right now we're gonna do the Sports Plus. Man. This is crazy. Yeah. I probably won't use this because this is crazy. Like the response is like, oh my god. Wow. So now you see how the Sports Plus works. And just to remind you, this has a 35 inch tires, so no. So I'll probably stick with city and sports, off-roading. You know, sports is good for off-roading. It's like on dirts and stuff, maybe on sands. But yeah, definitely good one. So yeah, pedal commander, I'm gonna keep it on my Jeep, and it's very useful for me. And if I want to save gas, I'll put it on eco mode. But you know, the response is gonna be much slower, I guess, slower than stock. With the city, it feels like stock, but smoother. And on sports mode, that one I'll definitely use that one while off-roading. I'm not gonna use it on city drives or freeway drives. And Sports Plus, it's too much for me. But yeah, I'll probably use it sometime. But yeah, all in all, pedal commander is a good idea for your Jeep Wrangler. And you can connect on your Bluetooth using your app. If you stow it under somewhere that you can't reach, you could just use the app on it. And also the other one is the anti-theft one. That is one of the reason I like this kind of throttle controller. It's added security. So yeah. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, I'm trying to get better every time I do this. So if you want to help me out, just click the subscribe button, and see you on the trails. Peace.